actually see my whole self. I hope I look good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you guys today with a fresh brand new video. We're gonna be talking about this hair right here. Yep, this one. Just to let y'all know, this wig is the Perfect Hairline by Outre. Charisma in the shade Sandy Blonde. I'm gonna give this to y'all right here. Take a picture of it, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna link everything down in the description. This is gonna be a nice short video. I'm not gonna talk too much because there's really not much to say about it, other than the fact that it's bomb. It comes with 6 different colors, and it's super easy. Like, it comes with straps in the back already to adjust your head, which is perfect. It has the 4 combs, and yeah, I mean, look at it, like, there's not much I can say. I've been gone for like a year, you know, quarantine happened. I was like, okay, I can make some content, made like 2 videos, got discouraged and just kind of stopped. Went back to school. Here I am, it's 2021. I'm ready to get back into making content because that's what makes me happy pretty much. Let's get back into the wig. So it's a 13x6 frontal. There's a lot of parting space. I had to put some concealer on the part right here, but I mean, you can literally part it anywhere. You can do a middle part, side part, whatever you want to do that floats your boat. I'm really not that good at styling my wigs, like cutting them and like things like that, but it actually didn't come out that bad this time. It's transparent HD lace. We love that. It comes with baby hairs, pre-plucked hairline, and apparently it's heat styling friendly, which I did not know, so I'll have to throw some more curls in it. But I mean, like, I've just been brushing it like over and over again. Only like thing that I have to say that's bad about this hair is how bad it tangles. It tangles not that well. I mean, it tangles like any synthetic wig. It's been so long since I've had a synthetic wig. Last time I had a synthetic wig was 2018, and that's when I first started getting into wigs. And then I switched to human hair and I haven't looked back, but now I'm like, I have to go back with the synthetic because it'll be easier on my wallet and I can provide more videos for y'all and try them out. So what I'm thinking about doing is just like seeing a wig that I like on TikTok or whatever and just trying it on for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna link those in the description below, and let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comments. I just want to say, who said black women can't wear blonde hair? I'm just saying, like, it was made for us. It was made for us. Honestly, I feel like Molly May from Love Island, if y'all watch that, my Love Island UK people, yes, that's my show. Anyways, I feel like her, and her hair looks like this like permanently, so I mean, I can't even imagine waking up and having hair like this every day. Honestly, what it looks like in the picture like is not at all what it's like in person. Like, it's ridiculous. I bought this wig because of someone that I saw on YouTube. I'm gonna link her down below, and I was like, it looks so bomb, I just have to buy it. Oh, one thing you guys really want to know is price. I think I spent about like $64 in total with like taxes and everything. I'm not quite sure, but when I find that out, I'm gonna put that in the description as well. So just make sure that you look at the description box because that's going to hold a lot of the information if you want to purchase this wig. I don't remember which website I got it from. I think it was Hair So Fly. I got it from Hair So Fly, and it came pretty quick. It took like 3 to 4 days, which is like pretty typical, but honestly I was expecting it to take longer. I've hesitated about putting this wig on just because I'm not that good at styling them. However, I pleasantly surprised myself today. So yeah, if you guys want me to try more wigs, tell me what companies, what hair color, what hair type, because I will definitely try it. I'm definitely looking to get more into synthetic wigs. That's what I have for you guys today. Sort of like a little bit of a ramble, but I just had to show you guys how amazing this wig is. So make sure you go ahead and like this video. It helps with the algorithm and push more women to see this video. They need to see this hair. Black women need this hair. Like, you need this wig to be in your plethora of wigs that you have. If you wear wigs, if you don't wear wigs, this would be definitely the wig to, well, I wouldn't say a beginner wig. I can suggest some. Definitely go to your beauty hair supply store if you are just starting out. That's what I did, and I didn't look bad, honestly. And then once you feel confident, I would upgrade. There's this one called, oh, what is it called? I don't remember. But it was a synthetic and human hair blend. It was an awesome wig. Awesome wig. And then once you feel confident with lace and things like that, I would definitely upgrade to one of these. So yep, all my beginners, I feel y'all. But for my advanced people, y'all will love this wig. I'm just telling you. I feel bomb. I feel great. I didn't even recognize myself in the mirror. So we love that. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to be on the lookout. Prayerfully, I can get myself together to film more because I really need to. But yes, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.